You give them butterflies. Butterfly. On the real, you give this person butterflies. This person may try to shift their focus onto more mundane activities such as doing work because they don't want to accept the emotion that you conjure up inside of them. And even if they are at work, when they think of you, they feel excited, they feel giddy, they get butterflies. And this type of feeling is quite alien to this individual because this person could be very nonchalant, left-brained, as they say, someone that doesn't really show emotions. And they find themselves waiting for you to give them that feeling because you bring a lot of color into their life. You make things very exciting for this individual. For some of you, they may act as if they're unbothered. And they may try and stabilize their emotions whenever they are around you. They may try and act as if you're not having an effect on them, and you are. But their face won't give anything away. They see a lot of potential in you. They feel like you are their match. Before you, this individual wasn't even thinking of commitment, settling down. It was all about work, money, nothing else. Their career, how they are seen in society, titles, prestige is what they were chasing after. But since you came along, you've shown them something different. You're now making this person think that they want to share what they have built over the years with someone like you. They see you as down to earth, humble, gorgeous. You have shone a light of certain indiscrepancies that were occurring in this individual's life. For some of you, this person's life was quite chaotic, or they had very questionable individuals around them that they weren't letting go of, that kept circling around this person's energy. Individuals who were not loyal. This could be ex-partners, this could be friends, this could be love interests. For some of you, this person may have been in an energy where they were having frivolous connections that wasn't going anywhere, connections that they wouldn't close out, but they're closed out now that they met you. You bring in a lot of excitement into this person's life, so much joy, happiness. Not to say that you can't be happy on your own, but I feel like it's the way that you live your life. You're very high vibrational to this individual. You know where you're going in life. You're ambitious. You have morals. You could have the same traditional values. You are a breath of fresh air. This person was in hibernation. I feel like this individual was shielding themselves from connections, convincing themselves that they didn't need one. But since they met you, all that's changed. People are noticing how happier this person is since you've been around. People are connecting the dots. This person has a spring in their step. And possibly Spirit had them in time out so that they can do the work. knowingly or unknowingly, and then Spirit presented them to you. And this person, even when they were in relationships, right, they may have been quite aloof, leaving their partners feeling like they were in the connections alone. Very detached individual. But with you, there's a warmth. There's a warm feeling that they feel whenever you are around. And they're trying to work out this feeling, like, what is this? And when you're not around, it feels cold again. It's your energy. It's your vibe. It uplifts this person. And this person cannot help but to smile from ear to ear, though they may try and guard how they actually feel. They can't deny the effect that you have on them. They see you as someone very powerful, a leader, someone that doesn't need anyone, someone that could be quite defensive at times. But you have transformed this individual, just like before a butterfly becomes a butterfly, they go into a cocoon. And since you met this individual, you have transformed them to the point whereby they have released connections that no longer serve them, or they're in the process of doing so, habits that were keeping them bound. They have faced certain psychological situations that they kept repressed. And these situations could have stemmed around relationships, giving and taking when being in relationships. They struggled with that. I'm not saying they were selfish in relationships, but it was more of a case of, I don't want to have to give up a side of myself to be in a relationship. You've shown this person that you can have the two if you want it. You know, maybe this person felt like they had to separate their friends from romantic partners and family, meaning that they didn't believe until they met you that you can have all in one. Everything they wanted, or everything they didn't know that they wanted, they found it all within you. They feel like, okay, I'm very physically attracted to this person. I feel like I can be my authentic self and reveal sides that I haven't revealed to anyone else to this person. And maybe this individual felt like they can only be that way with a friend or with friends. They felt like they couldn't share their innermost feelings to a romantic partner. A partner's for maybe parading around and making money, saving money with that person, but not talking about emotions. With you, they feel like, this is weird. This is I haven't experienced this before, but I think I kind of like it. And this person anticipates when they will see you again. There's a potency, an electricity, a depth to you that they can't ignore, that they want more of. They may have tried to block off these emotions in the past and invest elsewhere, but they can't lie to themselves anymore. Cycles are being closed out. They are being forced to transform and heal. And you have been part of that awakening. You have been part of that awakening to make this individual know that it's okay to feel. Because they could be looking back and feeling to themselves, because I didn't emote in the past to partners, I scared them away. I have to open up. And once they start opening up, they realize that it's safe to do so. but possibly only with the right person. Because in some cases, this person opened up to the wrong people and they were manipulated, and they're realizing that now. Some people manipulated this person for their own gains, and it's part of this person's lesson, because they felt like a friend should be someone that you tell your secrets to. A partner should be someone that you just have as a companion, and you share money. In some cases you save money, you're always together. They're now realizing that that's not the case. And some people that they have shared their feelings to use it to their own advantage, and that person's putting a stop to it. They want to pour all their energy into you, meaning that they now see you as a friend. They now see you as confident, a romantic partner. They're willing to invest in you and close out cycles with people that no longer serve them. They see you as exotic, and I feel like because you could be different from this individual, you may come from different culture backgrounds, they could have been resisting this in the past, and this is something that they have, or they are accepting, because maybe before you they've never dated outside of their race, and maybe they have for some of you, but there's something unique and different about you, because you could come from a different background than they do, but your personality and your likes and maybe the way you carry yourself may not be in the same way that people from your background act, and it's very intriguing to this individual. They find you to be enticing, yes, is what I'm hearing, but more so interesting. They want to learn about you. They want to learn about your background, your culture. It's exciting. They don't know what they're gonna feel whenever you reveal a story, but they know that it's going to keep them on their toes. You have brought up a lot of fears with this individual, and part of their fear was to fall in love, and that's exactly what's happening. Because every time this person sees you, they can't keep their eye off you. You give this person butterflies, and they feel like it will always be the case with you. They'll never get bored of you. They'll never stop staring at you. They'll never stop wanting to pour into you. They will never stop wanting to learn about you. You've captured this person's heart. What did you do? You or the person could be of the signs Aquarius, Taurus, Sagittarius, Leo, Sagittarius again, Scorpio, Aquarius again, Leo again, Taurus again, Scorpio again, Pisces, Cancer, and Pisces. Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith.